If right now you're selling high ticket over sales calls and you're optimizing for paid in fulls where you're kind of resetting to zero every single month, you don't have much recurring revenue that's stacking and compounding over time, I want to show you really quickly why high ticket is a trap. So this red line here is your revenue and the blue line are your expenses, and the gap in between is kind of the profit zone. So as you can see here, your revenue is going up, up, up. You're selling high ticket, you're optimizing for paid in fulls, and you're like, wow, we hit a record month. Now we need to invest into more staff and more infrastructure. So your expenses goes up, and then it kind of stabilizes from there. And because you're optimizing for paid in fulls, you don't have much recurring revenue coming in. If your revenue dips and you have a bad month, you're panicking. If you have 2 bad months, you're really panicking. And if you have 3 bad months, then you are on the verge of being liquidated. And this is why stacking recurring revenue is such an optimal business model, because you're not actually forced to start from zero every single month, and you can finally breathe. You've got security, you've got predictability, and you're not freaking out, wondering where your next client is coming from to ensure that you don't end up in the red zone. I shut down my $265,000 a month high ticket coaching business because I realized that the model was flawed. And instead, I scaled a subscription to over $100,000 a month at 70% profit with 0 sales calls, 1 VA, and working a couple of hours a day. And not only am I stacking higher profit, but I'm actually stacking consistent, predictable recurring revenue, which means I don't have these bad months where I end up in the red. If you want the same and you want to check out how this entire model works, then comment video down below and I'll send it right over.